Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 FE, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, you will first need to turn off your device by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time. And from there, swipe to the left, the power off option. Sorry, to the right, Jesus. And your phone will turn off. Once it does, again hold power button and the volume up at the same time, and let go of the power button when you see Vivo logo. In here, make sure you select recovery mode, but we can do it by touch. We need to use volume buttons, specifically volume down, which will scroll down, and press power button to confirm it. Once we are in the recovery mode, you want to select clear data and then select clear cache. This will give you a quick message: clear cache, only cache will be cleared, no device settings or data will be affected. Okay, and you can see it's cleared nearly instantaneously, so we're going to select return, then click on the back arrow right here and choose restart, which will bring us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.